box out. We had a good offense, but we needed to do better in defense and offense.
25% per percentage namin. And the finish ng mga 2 points namin, hindi nahuhulog eh. So I think bad day plus technicalities like yung box out.
I will try to do better on defense and offense and contribute more to the team. For my family, because they're the ones that motivate me to play good and they're the ones who always supports me in everything I do.
Pero it's a good thing. We're better this year compared to last year. Medyo lumalaban na, dumadive na yung mga bata namin. They were good. Even though, yun nga, yung age nila, hindi katulad ng mga kalaban namin, parang mature sila. Kumaga, sabi ko nga, ang game plan namin, for at least 40 minutes, this will be the happiest 40 minutes of your day. Parang siya lang yung consistent ng masaya sa ginagawa niya. Kita niyo yung itsura niya naman sa laro, yung aura niya na nakadala din ng mga players or ng mga teammates.